These Gator Shake wings are good. Wow. Hey guys, it's Rob the Barbecue Pit Dog Channel. Hey, how's it going today? Hey, my buddy, Papa Texas. He's a kind, generous man. He sends me stuff. And he sent me some new seasoning. Uncle Steve's Shake. This is the Gator Shake. Actually, he had a little giveaway. He gave a few channels some different types of the Uncle Steve Shake seasoning, and I just happened to win some of this Gator Shake. So I have tried this on some seafood, on some mahi-mahi, and man, it was delicious. So today we're going to try the Gator Shake on some wings back there on the pit barrel cooker. I got her fired up. We're going to see how this goes on some chicken wings, which I'm sure is going to be great. I got some wings marinating right here. A little bit of lemon, a little bit of olive oil, and a lot of the Gator Shake. You know, about what, I don't know, 30, 40 shakes of Gator Shake. Got her all mixed up, been marinating about an hour. Got the pit barrel fired up. So I'm gonna throw these on here, cook them up to at least 165 degrees, which I like my wings well done, so I always cook them out a little longer. It'll probably take about hour and 15 minutes, and they'll be awesome. Well, they'll be done. Then we gotta taste them and see if they'll be awesome. I got a feeling they're gonna be. So hang on. Here we go with some Gator Shake. I got some pecan chips right there. I just threw in the pit barrel cooker. Pecan is my favorite wood to cook with. So let me get the rebar in here and get this thing a smoking. And there you see my wings that I have marinating. Just dump them all in there. Why not? That's a lot of flavor we dumped in there. Yep, don't need that bag anymore. Now you see, let me spread these wings out first. But I've got the lemon. Squeeze the rest of the juice out of that thing. Chunk that one. Squeeze the rest of the juice out of that one. See you later, lemon. This is going to be good. Oh man. You got to marinate your wings in lemon and your favorite seasoning. It's so good. And this Gator Shake is going to be so good. Wow. It smells good already. Can you smell that? Oh, man. Well, I decided let's put a little bit more of this Gator Shake on there. Uncle Steve's Shake. You got to check out his website. I'll leave all the information below at the end of the show, up above, wherever you're at, you can find it. Uncle Steve's Shake. This looks good. We'll shake it on there, cook it for about, what, 30 minutes? Check that out. That's looking good. Now I'm just going to give them, well, let me get rid of this lid right here. Give them a little flip and a little shake. Flip and a shake, a flip and a shake. Are you serious? Look at these wings. Holy Steve. Holy Uncle Steve. These are unbelievable. Hang on, I gotta get the shake. Okay, can you see that? Now, instead of celery and blue cheese, or celery and carrots, blue cheese, ranch, whatever, I went with some fresh green beans, shook them in a little bit of olive oil, and I do have some blue cheese, so yeah, I'm gonna put some of the Gator Shake. Shake that gator right there on it. Hell, might as well put some more on the wings too, right? I mean, look at that. Whoa. I'm loving this. This is awesome. This Gator Shake is going to be some good stuff. Alright, let me get me a bite of this wing, see what we got. Alright, these wings, look at the color on these wings. They look good. They're kind of small, but I'll just have to eat more of them, I guess, right? Here we go. I better take another bite. Man, that Gator Shake is awesome. Just get a little bit of that lemon marinade that I put in there. Man, this stuff is good. I'll tell you what, I bet that Uncle Steve's shake, that Gator Shake, would be awesome in a dip. Party dip of some kind. Speaking of dip, let's dip one of these wings in there. Here comes a messy face, probably. Man, that was awesome. Man, that was so good. Get rid of that bone. Can you believe these? Wow. That Gator Shake is good on salads. Sure, it's good on vegetables like my green beans. Definitely good on chicken wings. Any kind of chicken, I'm sure. Just in case. Yeah, let me clean up a little bit here. Alright, so I just want to thank everybody for stopping by. I want to thank Papa, Texas. Hope you can see that. Papa, Texas is a good dude. He's been a good friend of mine since I started on YouTube like a year and a half ago. And then we got Uncle Steve Shake. Now I'm going to leave iCards up here, which you've already seen some, and description, and I'll leave something down there in the bottom. You can go check out Uncle Steve Shake. I'm sorry, Uncle Steve Shake, Gator Shake, and there are other kind of shakes also. And you can check out Papa, Texas too. So again, thanks Papa. I appreciate it. You're a good man. You're a good friend. And I want you to make sure you check out Uncle Steve Shakes. I'll leave, like I said, leave all the information below. And he's got a website and he's got a YouTube channel. And go check him out because this stuff is awesome. You see this right here? That's some great wings right there. So I appreciate you guys watching the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. I'm going to peel some of this chicken off the bone. Give my buddy Duke a plate. You check that out. And until next time, y'all take care.